Hey everybody, welcome back to Coop de Grill. We're getting ready for another party weekend and we are bringing some homemade moonshine. It's not going to be your typical moonshine where you get the still out and all the stuff. We're doing the easy version of some orange creamsicle moonshine. This is going to be freaking awesome. So the ingredients you're going to need are as follows. Everclear. This is the 190 proof. If you're in Wisconsin, you can get this. If you can't get the 190 proof, get whatever you can. But you're going to want the Everclear, the grain alcohol. We're going to use about a half a cup of this. This is the vanilla vodka. That's going to go really good with this. And we've got just over a gallon. The recipe calls for a gallon. So however you get a gallon of orange juice, get a gallon of orange juice. We need a half a cup of French vanilla coffee creamer and pure vanilla extract. You need 2 tablespoons of that, and you need a cup and a half of granulated sugar. We're going to throw this all in a pot. Check out my pot. Isn't that lovely? Shake up your orange juice. Make sure you get all the good stuff out of there. You're going to go with a pulp-free. I don't care if you like pulp. Nobody else does. Don't use pulp. We got the Tropicana. No pulp.
No pulp.
We're going to add all of the orange juice. Everything but the alcohol goes in the pot, and we're going to bring this to a boil. So there was a gallon of orange juice. We've got 2 tablespoons of your vanilla extract. Half a cup of French vanilla. If you can't find the French vanilla, I'm sure regular vanilla would be just fine. I do like that hazelnut in there, though. That's it for that. And a cup and a half of sugar. Half a cup. Half a cup. Cup and a half. We're going to take this. Are we going to take this outside or are we going to do it here?
We're going to do it wherever you want.
We're going to do it right here. We're going to put it right on the stove. Get yourself a big whisk. Just make sure that's stirred around really well. We're going to let this come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, you're going to let it go for about 5 minutes. That's all you want to boil it for. After that, shut it off, take it off the burner, let it cool to room temperature before you add the alcohol. All right, it's been boiling for about 5 minutes, and check it out. Look at this. That's about what it should look like. So we're going to shut that off, push it back over here, and we're going to let that sit. Should take about an hour, maybe an hour and a half. And we're going to come back and we're going to add the alcohol, stir that in, and put it in some mason jars. We're down to room temperature, and we have our liquor.
Liquor.
3.5 cups. 3 cups of our Everclear, and we got a half a cup of the vanilla vodka. And we're going to pour that right in here.
Which I think it should have been more vanilla vodka, but that's just my personal opinion.
Well, we've got vanilla creamer, and we've got 2 tablespoons of baking vanilla. So, I think we've got enough vanilla.
Oh, we'll see. I don't know.
We're going to stir this in. We're going to put it in a jar, and then we're going to put it in the fridge. You're going to want to leave that sit for about 2 weeks before you actually try it. But we're going to let ours chill, and we're going to try it right away just to see what it's like. We're going to leave the other ones because this is a lot. Like this is just over a gallon of.
This better be good.
It's going to be good. All right, we'll be right back. Holy cow, did that make a lot? We've got 6 pints, and we've got, I think we got 3 of these.
And what's that one, a quart?
Quart.
Holy
yeah,
moly.
2 quarts and a little bit. Okay, you can see how that's just kind of separated. You've got the creamy, and you've got the orangey, and yeah, so you want to shake this up before you try it.
Shaking it. I like
so
it when you
like
shake
cocktails and start tossing this thing around. That might be a little too dangerous.
It could be. Oh, boy.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Ooh. That's dangerous right there, because those will sneak up on you, because that doesn't, that's really good.
It's good, and it's only been a few hours.
You gotta try that, yeah.
All right. Wow, that's really good.
It's an orange dreamsicle.
Woo! Yeah. A liquor dreamsicle. Very good, though. It's good.
Yeah, this is really good. These are going to be excellent around the campfire. All right, 2 weeks in the fridge You can pull these out and party with them. I think we're only gonna let ours sit in for a week, so I'm sure it'll be just fine. All right, guys, thanks for coming along and cooking Orange Creamsicle Moonshine with us here at Coupe de Grill today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, drop a comment. It helps grow our channel. French vanilla is just vanilla coffee creamer with hazelnut. If you guys know where you can get the hazelnut extract, please leave a comment because I couldn't find that crap anywhere.
Wow, moonshine next to dinner. I like it.
It goes hand in hand. There you go. Thanks for making. What did we make? Hang on. I know this.
You just said it.
It's Orange Dreamsicle Moonshine. Okay. If you want to see more recipes of us making good stuff, they're right here. That's where she puts them. We're going to go have this. You go watch that.